Hello and good evening to all our viewers today. We shall be starting in just a short while. This is the QR code that you can scan to become a part of the Glyphs community. To all our guests who have joined in today, we would love to know where you are from. Do put in your names and the city that you are from in the chat box. We would love to connect with all of you. Again, a very warm welcome. And just hold on, we're just starting in a short while. Good evening to all our viewers from Pune, from the other states of India, and from all across the globe. Today, both our guests, in their respective passions, are in the world of language. One whose passion is the niche language of French, and the other, the universal language of music. Stay tuned as we have a lovely interaction with both of them. To the audience, we shall be recording this episode for quality purposes. Glyphs essentially means the representation of a character. And what better way there is to identify what a person truly is than to observe what he loves from within him. That's why the name glyphs. It also stands for being a symbol that represents something beyond the face value. The three symbols or the three glyphs that you saw in the logo represent what the concept is all about. They stand for Create, Connect, Express, or CCE. Like we all know, hashtag Passion Matters. Glyphs is a channel where you indulge in to identify the passion created within you, connect with each other, and openly and ingenuously express your thoughts and passions. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of like-minded people who share a common drive for passion. Passion is the force that motivates you to achieve success and happiness to build a better life. It is something that allows you to be inherently yourself. Your passion can be singing, photography, painting, playing an instrument, or something as different as collecting items, cycling, or sports. This might be something that you are not necessarily doing as your work. In fact, it is better if you have a passion that helps you unwind and enjoy your own company. The Glyphs community is meant to encourage us to keep pursuing our passions. It is a global community who sees, learns, and appreciates the things that we do. It is also an avenue where you can showcase your own passion and be inspired to explore a new passion. You know you got it. We know you got it. Now let the world know you got it. And that's exactly what we are here to do. Create, connect, express. And so again, a very warm welcome to yet another beautiful Thursday evening on Glyphs CCE. I am your host, Kavita Avasti, and it is an absolute pleasure to welcome all of you to the 41st episode of this wonderful channel where we showcase your passion. To the audience, do keep the chat box alive with your comments, with your appreciation. And to all the viewers who have joined us on Facebook, we are listening to you too. So please feel free to put your comments on our Facebook page, which is live right now. French, a language spoken by more than 300 million people across the continents. The only language besides English that is taught in every country in the world. And taking this language to another level as her passion is our guest, Meera Krishnan. After completing her master's in French in 2014, she explored her passion further by living in France for a year. Something that had initially been extremely overwhelming for Meera soon turned into such a strong passion that today she has not only mastered the language, but she has taken it to a level where she literally, well, to put it in Amitabh Bachchan style, she can talk French, walk French, and laugh French. And how? Well, that's what we're going to hear from Meera. And of course, our second guest, for whom singing and music तो उनके खून में बसता है, Lakshmikant Vipradas. Lakshmikant gave his first stage performance in a school gathering in 1984 and has been singing regularly since his college days. He says his first guru is his mother, who was a harmonium player, and presently he is taking formal education in Marathi Sugam Sangeet from his guru Bhide sir since the past 2 years. In spite of being in the business of construction material supplies, he makes it a point to wake up at 6:30 in the morning to do riyaz which he does at least 4 times a week. A fan of old songs, an ardent follower of Rafi Saab and Kishore Kumar, today we shall enter the world of the super talented Kishore Kumar with Lakshmikant's passion, singing. So, Meera, learning a new language we know is not easy. It takes loads of hard work. Hard work we know you did, but not only did you learn the language, you explored so much more in this passion. We would love you to share this with our audience today, Meera.
I'm so overwhelmed by this, Kavita. Thank you so much, first of all, to Glyphs for giving me this opportunity and inviting me to speak about something that, I mean, I only thought I'll speak in a classroom, but I'm speaking here in front of all of you. So thank you so much. And French has always been like this, always there in my life. Since the time I decided to, have it and decided to, like learn it. First, when I actually started learning, I was really overwhelmed. I had it as a subject in college, and it just happened by accident. And I feel that, the best things in life happen by accident, and that's what happened with me with French. So I just had it as a subject in college, but I grew more interested, and then I joined the Alliance Française, and that's where I could actually explore it further, because we were like completely immersed in it. Like we used to spend all our day over there. So I mean, French became that, companion throughout my, growing years. And my friends really pushed me. I mean, I think I would have generally there is a trend where people, join level 1 and they quit after that, because it can get overwhelming to stick to one thing for a while. But I think my friends and my lovely teachers just like pushed me on. So the way in which I have taken it further, I would say, a way in which I could actually keep in touch with the language is by teaching. I mean, I owe a lot to teaching. I never decided in my life that I would become a teacher. I thought I would become a doctor when I was in 8th standard. And well, you can see now I'm not a doctor. So I teach, and I can use the language on a daily basis. I can pass on what I know already. And I feel that the reason why I didn't give up is because like there were so many surprises in store, and I could like explore this today. And I'm very grateful to French for that, not just for teaching or anything else. I got to see so many parts of the world. I got to speak with so many people, get to know different cultures. So I owe a lot to the language.
Lovely. Thank you so much for that share. What she has learned, something audience, hold on, we're going to share with you very soon. We're going to move on to Lakshmikant here. Movie, Jawani Diwani, Jaya Baduri's first glamorous role, and R.D. Burman's hit music. This song is sung by Asha Bhosle and Kishore Kumar, music by Pancham Da, of course, and lyrics by Anand Bakshi. Presenting the first song of the evening, Jaane Ja Dhoondta Phir Raha. Here comes Lakshmikant with this performance. Just a minute, he'll just be there. All right, Lakshmikant, yes, you can start. लक्ष्मीकांत एक मिनिट आवाज येत नाहीये यू जस्ट हॅव टू म्यूट युअर सेल्फ परत सुरू कर वी कांट हिअर यू म्यूट करून परत ऑन कर देयर इज अ टेक्निकल ग्लिच वी आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू हिअर यू
येतोय आता
yes absolutely yes go
okay,
ahead
I'll play it again.
yes all right
Yeah. येतोय
yes please go ahead perfect
ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। हम सफर प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम, मगर क्या खबर, ओ मेरे हम सफर प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम, मगर क्या खबर, रास्ते में कहीं रह गए हम नशी, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ।
Lovely. Thank you, Lakshmikant. Like we had Santosh Vaidya who said that he didn't know that you were pursuing this. So to the audience and to Santosh, this is exactly why this channel is here, to explore so that the world knows what your passion is. So while our guests catch their breath, we're going to explore a few unknown facts about French, and we're going to get to know some interesting trivia about the super talented Kishorda. So to the audience, please listen to what I'm saying. We have some questions coming up for you in what we call the Glyphs quiz. We would love to know your answers. Please put them in the chat box. So for the first question, we know that many French actors are known to have acted in Bollywood movies. For example, of course, we remember Barbara Mori in Kites, and who can forget Sue from Rang De Basanti. So, Paul Blackthorne and Rachel Shelley, two French actors in a Bollywood movie, a memorable movie nominated for the Oscars set in the pre-independence era. That's the Bollywood movie that I'm talking about. Paul's character was called Captain Russell and Rachel's was called Elizabeth. Which is this movie that I'm talking about? Yes, of course. Wow, we have instant answers there. It is the movie Lagan, based on cricket, of course, released in the year 2001. All right. Now, talking of Kishore Kumar. When one thinks of Kishore Kumar, the first thought that comes to our mind is extreme versatility, a bundle of energy, and a super talented performer. In the initial years, Kishore Kumar styled himself after the iconic K.L. Sehgal Saab, and later by the great Pakistani singer Ahmad Rashdi. The veteran S.D. Burman heard Kishore Das sing in Ashok Kumar's house in 1950 during the making of the movie Mashal. S.D. then advised Kishore Da to develop his own style of singing. This motivated Kishore Kumar to develop a new signature style for himself. American singer Jimmy Rogers and New Zealand singer Tex Morton were Kishore Das' inspiration to form this style of singing. my question to the audience is, which style did he learn from these two great singers? Yes, Swapnil, of course, that was instant. The famous yodeling, which he was known for, he was known as the king of yodeling. It was actually more than a musical device. It was a form of expression, and yodeling is what became Kishore Das' unique identity. All right, thank you so much. And now, like I told the audience, like I said in the beginning, Mira can talk French, walk French, and laugh French. And now Mira is going to make all of you do the same thing. She's actually going to tell you some words in French, and you know what? You're going to have to guess the meanings of these words in English. So, friends, let's get ready for some fun. Here come the questions from Mira. Over to you.
So everyone get ready because we are going to talk about les faux amis. Okay, faux amis are false friends. And what are false friends? They look like something, but they are not. Okay, so be careful, pay attention. These words look like they mean something, but they are not. Okay, so let's begin with the first word. Okay, first word is travailler. What do you think it means?
Yes, so the audience, you need to put your answers in the chat box. There come the answers, Mira.
I know the people who have put the correct word. I'm sure they know. Okay. So, yes, I know many people will think it's traveling or traveler and whatnot, but the actual meaning is to work. It's a verb which means to work. Travailler means to work. It's not to travel. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, let's look at the next word. Another verb for you. Assister. Assister. Okay. Go on, please. Okay. I mean, I already gave you a disclaimer, everyone. It doesn't mean what it looks like, huh? So you have to think out of the box. Okay. It means to attend. Like, for example, I'm attending a phone call, I'm attending a class. That's what it means. It does. It has nothing to do with assisting or helping. Okay.
Nice.
Okay. This is always fun. Okay. Next one, another verb. Okay. Great. Blesse. Blesse, you got to think out of the box.
Now we're going to know who all paid attention in
Yes.
class and school. Yes, absolutely.
Oh, to pray. Okay. Out of the box. Please, bless, word. Okay. Somebody knows French here, I guess.
Somebody knows French.
Okay. The answer is to get hurt. To get hurt or to hurt, both. So, yeah. Some of you are right. Okay. Next word. Okay, people who know French, give others a chance, guys. Let's watch the fun. Okay. Le pain. Google made it easy, huh? Okay. Le pain. Okay. Many people know this, huh?
Nice.
Okay. So you are right. It is bread. And there is a joke that goes like, the French are so hardcore, they eat pain for breakfast. It's actually pain. So. Okay. Next word. Out of the box. Come on. Fire.
Wow.
Okay, that's really out of the box. Okay, somebody is taking help of Google. Okay, it is flesh. You know what flesh flesh. Who could have imagined such an innocent word could actually mean this? Well, in French, it's not so innocent. Okay, next word. Le coin.
Wow. Come on, you need to think, audience. Put whatever comes to your mind. You can definitely try there.
Our audience is really tech savvy, I think. They're like shifting, windows and Googling. Okay. Corner. It means corner. Like I'm going to the corner, the shop's in the corner. Okay, great. I have a couple of more words for you. Okay, what is this? Rester. It's a verb again.
Some obvious answers.
Pester. Register. Wow. Arjun is saying, oh, Arjun, I know you have Googled, huh? Okay, rester means to stay or to remain, Radhika. Radhika is right, to stay or to remain. Okay, it doesn't mean to take rest. There is another verb for that. And the last one, okay.
Yes, come on. And there's the last one.
Monday.
Monday, money. Okay.
All of you are thinking of money, huh? Okay. The correct answer is currency. It has nothing to do with
Okay, you're
money.
close. You're close.
Yeah. When he says currency, I know why he knows. Okay, thanks.
Lovely. Thank you, Meera. I think Meera has just made it very easy for all of you to look for a French girlfriend or a French boyfriend. Some words will make it a little easier for you. Okay, so I think we'll take a break from all the brain work that has gone into it and we move on to the next song, of course. Sagar, a comeback film for Dimple Kapadia. And also, this film, which won Kishore Da the Filmfare Award for the Best Male Playback Singer. Yes, Lakshmikant, over to you.
Thank you, Kavita. चेहरा है या चांद खिला है, जुल्फ घनेरी शाम है क्या, सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या। चेहरा है या चांद खिला है, जुल्फ घनेरी शाम है क्या, सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या। अरे तू क्या जाने तेरी खातिर कितना है बेताब ये दिल, तू क्या जाने कैसे कैसे देख रहा है ख्वाब ये दिल। दिल कहता है तू है यहाँ तो जाता लम्हा थम जाए, वक्त का दरिया बहते इस मंजर में जम जाए। तूने दीवाना दिल को बनाया, इस दिल पर इल्जाम है क्या? सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या?
Yes, Lakshmikant. Thank you. Thank you so much again for that lovely song, Dimple Kapadia and the legendary Rishi Kapoor. So, again, to the audience, time for some questions and some trivia. All right. Now, listen to this carefully. For a particular parade in India, France has been invited as the chief guest the maximum number of times, and each time it is the French president who represented it. In fact, the French army soldiers created history by marching down during this parade in 2018 by becoming the first foreign military contingent to take part in these celebrations. So, to the audience, which is this lovely parade of India that I'm talking about? In 2018? Yes, of course, Krish. Immediately, that was a perfect answer. The Republic Day Parade at Rajpath, which happened in 2018. This was led by Lieutenant Colonel Paul Berry of the French Army's 35th Infantry Regiment, one of the oldest regiments of France. And there was a team of 76 members. An honor indeed. So, moving back to Kishorda, Kishorda was a singer that was extremely popular with the audience. I'm sure all of us will agree, with the young as well as the old. You should know, he won 8 Filmfare Awards for Best Male Playback Singer, and he holds the record for winning the most Filmfare Awards in that category. That's absolutely amazing. He won a total of 18 Filmfare Awards. That's how versatile he was. But in spite of all this, Kishore Da was as particular about his remuneration as he was about his singing. Now, a wonderful piece of trivia. Once Kishore Da reached the sets of a movie with half of his mustache shaved and with only half makeup applied on his face. Only half his face had the makeup on. When asked the reason for this, he replied that the producer had only paid him half the amount, and so he would continue to appear in all the scenes with only half makeup until he was paid the balance amount. Well, that was Kishore Da for you. And now for the question. So, to the audience, the music director Salil Chaudhary had a duet in mind for a movie. He wanted Kishore Kumar and Lata Mangeshkar both to sing that song. However, Lata Mangeshkar was not in town, and since Salil Chaudhary had to record that song before she could return, Kishore Da solved the problem by singing both the male and the female parts. All right, Santosh, that was really quick. My question was, which was the movie and which is the song? So Santosh and Swapnil both have said the name of the movie is Half Ticket. I also want the name of the song. I'll give you 10 seconds to type it out. Come on, I need the name of the song as well. Yes, Santosh. Yes, that is right. Absolutely. Aake seedhi dil pe lagi dil pe, sorry. Yes, the duet is actually picturized on Pran and Kishore Kumar on the screen, where Kishore Da is dressed as a woman. It just turned out to be fine and absolutely fine because Kishore Kumar sang equally well in both the male and the female voices. All right. Thank you again for all your answers. Audience, do not go anywhere. Both our guests have an awesome finale planned for you. But before that, over to Saurav Dandekar, who is going to share how each one of you can also become a part of our ever-growing channel, Glyphs. So over to you, Saurav.
Thank you, Kavita. We have just heard Meera and Lakshmikant give their performance about their passion. In the same manner, All of us also have different passions that we love to do. May it be singing, dancing, photography, traveling, or even stamp collecting. Glyph CCE is a channel that provides you a platform to take this passion of yours across the globe. We currently have our viewership in over 37 countries across the globe. Let us have a quick poll. You will see three options in front of you now. Request you to click the option for the way you would like to be a part of the Glyph CCE community. Can we have the poll, please? Okay. Your passion got you here. What will be your next step? The options are: I would like to perform or talk about my passion on an episode of Glyph CCE. I would like to refer a friend or relative to perform or talk about their passion on an episode of Glyph CCE. I would like to become or refer someone to become a production partner. For all our viewers on Facebook, please comment option 1, 2, or 3 and we will get back to you. So 75% can refer someone to our channel. Wow, I'm really looking forward to it. You can see the phone number and email ID on the screen right now. So join us on the Glyph CCE channel, the place where every passion finds a home. Before I hand it over to our host, let me take this opportunity to thank her as well. Kavita Avasthi, a fashion designer who owns and runs her own boutique, Poshak, for the past 26 years. Thank you, Kavita. Over to you.
Thank you, Saurav, and thank you to our audience for responding to that poll, for all your inputs. So, Meera, we know that you have also given, we know that you have also given subtitles to French in French for movies, something which is not very easy or a common thing to do. Can you share some of these movies or some of these experiences that you have had?
Yeah, sure. Subtitling was a domain that I never had in my mind because for me, while I was doing my masters, I thought I'll study literature and translation, and that's about it. But fortunately, in my last semester, subtitling as a subject was introduced, and we were the first batch. We were the guinea pigs of for the teachers to experiment, and it turned out quite well because all of us got interested in it. And for that, as a project, I had subtitled Sujay Dahake's film Shara from Marathi to French. But that was just, on a very university level. After that, when I started talking to friends, I also have a lot of friends who work in the film industry in Marathi. So they started asking me to, help them with subtitles. So recently, I have subtitled a film by Alok Rajwade, which is called Ashrir Udyog Mitra Mandal. It was released this March, just before the lockdown, in fact. And in 2018, it was selected for the Mumbai International Film Festival. So that I did from Marathi to English. But I have also done a few films, like especially short films from Marathi or English to French. So one such recent film that I have subtitled into French is this film called Sumbaran. Our university was commissioned a project for a film festival in Montpellier in France. And the film had to be subtitled because, the theme of the festival was family. So Sumbaran was a perfect family story. And we just chose it. And we even had the occasion to show it to the director, and he was really happy. And it was shown in Montpellier, I think, earlier this year. So, yes, subtitling has been a very enriching experience because you encounter a lot of challenges which you normally don't encounter while translation. Like, for example, you have to learn a new technology altogether. You need to know a software. You need to make sure that the line that they're saying on screen needs to be synced. Like, those letters below, they have to like appear correct in the frame. They need to disappear as soon as the dialogue changes. So, the timing, everything matters while subtitling. It needs to fit the screen. And moreover, I think, as a translator, I find it quite challenging when it comes to, cultural terms. Like, for example, in India, we have like really, like, for example, how would you translate how important the word mama means in a context, like the relative mama? There's no other word in English or in French, that word doesn't exist. So we had to make it into something like, l'oncle maternel, like, maternal uncle or something like that. Or for example, something like, sindoor. How will you translate what a sindoor is?
True.
Or for example, things like, we were debating between, in Marathi, you say nako and nahi. So both are forms of negation and saying no. But noko is different from nahi. We all know that as speakers of Marathi. So, like, how would you translate this into something? So, a lot of it depends on the context that it's based in. And it was quite, I mean, that's the reason why I like, subtitling, because secondly, it has to do a lot with films, and I'm a huge film buff. I love to watch films of any language, any duration. I'm totally up for it. So I mean, French opened me to a lot of interesting things in my, life. And I love it.
Lovely. We all are film buffs, of course. But yeah, like you said, it's not easy to do that. Yeah. So we have a question from Santosh Vaidya where he says, how can my daughter seek help from Mira to learn French? So, Santosh, we will get Mira to get in touch with you. You can drop us your contact details and we will have her contact you definitely. Thank you so much. And if anybody else has any other questions for Mira or for Lakshmikant, do put them in the Q&A section and they will be glad to answer you. All right, like you said, we are all movie buffs. Today we are also all a lot of music buffs. Moving on to the next song. The song, I think, without which Kishore Das program would always be incomplete. Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas. Though this is an all-time classic song, the movie from which this is, that is Blackmail, it flopped. Vijay Anand said that this happened because of what he said was miscasting. Dharmendra Ji was cast as a soft romantic hero, whereas actually he was an action hero. Shatrughan Sinha, he had been cast as a villain, but by then he had already switched over to lead roles. And Rakhi Ji, well, she got pregnant during the making of this film and announced her retirement. But in spite of all this song continues to be an iconic song of the Hindi film industry. So over to you, Lakshmikant, for this beautiful romantic song.
Thank you, Kavita. Thank you. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। हर शाम आँखों पर तेरा चल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए, मैं सांस लेता हूँ खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है, मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
Yes, Lakshmikant, thank you. And you have Swapnil, who says here that he did not know that Lakshmikant was such a performer, and the next time when we meet, he owes you a party and a peg. Yes, of course. Thank you so much for that, Swapnil. All right, and now moving to the last set of questions again for our audience. So pay attention. India has had a number of French connections, and we owe a special favor to France because it gave India an extraordinary person, an aviator, a visionary entrepreneur, and the chairman of an extremely reputed group of industries. In fact, yes, Swapnil. In fact, he was also married to a French lady, Suzanne, who is famous as the first woman to drive a car in India. My question was, who is this personality? But we already have Swapnil with the answer. It's almost as if tini paper phodla hai. All right. J.R.D. Tata it is, Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, who was born in Paris and he had a French citizenship. So we do know that India has always had some fabulous connections with France. All right. And for the last trivia and question on Kishore Kumar. After visiting Mumbai, Bombay, as it was known then, Abhas Kumar changed his name to Kishore Kumar. He began his career as a chorus singer at Bombay Talkies, where his brother Ashok Kumar worked. Music director Khemchand Prakash gave Kishore Da a chance to sing Marne Ki Duaएं Kyun Mangu from the film Ziddi. This was in the year 1948. It is interesting to know that I think a lot of us think that maximum of his songs were for Amitabh Bachchan, but you're going to be really surprised with this trivia. Kishore Kumar sung the maximum songs for the superstar Rajesh Khanna. In fact, 245 songs to be precise. This was followed by Jitendra, then Devanand, and then came the number of songs for Amitabh Bachchan. That's for the trivia, all right. And now for the question. Kishore Kumar, they say, which I think a lot of us might not really want to believe, he suffered from stage fright. And during college performances, he would sing from behind the curtains rather than face the audience. They say when he left college, he owed some money to his college canteen. And this was the inspiration for a very famous song which was sung by Kishore Da. Which is this song that I'm talking about? Yes, Swapnil, you are an encyclopedia on Kishore Kumar. I must say, yes, the movie Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi, the song 5 Rupaiya 12 Ana. This was the exact amount, 5 rupees and 75 paisa, 12 Ana as it was called then. Yes, he owed this to his college canteen. Yes, Swapnil says he is from Khandwa, which also, yes, was Kishore Kumar's town. All right. So now moving back to Meera. Meera, with all the things that you have shared, we would want to know some of the most memorable or some of the most funny experiences during this journey of yours in learning French.
I mean, I feel that thanks to the profession of teaching, there is not a boring moment, because even with the current times, we are all teaching, on Zoom and we've shifted to online learning, and still we have a lot of like memories and like funny things going on. So I really miss the in presentia classroom experience very much. I've had some great moments in classroom. Some you actually understand if somebody's entering late into class, or you can actually celebrate festivals together. You can have a good dialogue. All of those things are like really memorable for me. We used to celebrate Christmas every year at our university, and we used to have the secret Santa going on, and that was really nice. I don't know if we would be able to do this again this year, but hoping for the best. And one memorable thing that I remember, which happened very recently, like during the last exam, was that, just telling you for the sake of knowing, in French, moi means my and ton means your. So I asked a student of mine, what did you do last weekend? And I wanted her to use the past tense while she spoke. So she started talking, and then she started saying everything grammatically correct, everything was nice. But there was one mistake or one funny thing that she did. She used ton instead of moi. So she said something like, Je suis allé au cinéma avec ton mari. Those who understand French will find this really funny. It basically means I went to watch the movies with your husband. I
Ouch.
went to a restaurant with your husband. Instead of saying more, she said ton. And I was patiently, listening to her, trying to, control my laughter. And well, I told her in the end, whatever we spoke was grammatically right. But, you didn't go out with my husband. So, yeah,
Wow. Okay.
that's one thing that happened, which I can't forget. And always, I've had wonderful experiences when I lived in France for about a year, when I was teaching English to French kids in school. So that would also like actually it carries a lot of importance for me in my life, that whole 1 year experience in Europe. So I was almost robbed. There was a night where I was almost like stranded and I didn't know where to go. But I think knowing French really helped me to make friends that I can keep in my life for a long time. So yes, that's
Lovely. So the audience, I think we are getting some amazing responses from the audience, but I would request all of you to change your setting to all panelists and attendees, because the other people in the audience are not getting to see your comments. I think that is also what has happened with Swapnil and a lot of others. Loads of comments coming in, but they're addressed only to the panelists. So please do change your setting to panelists and attendees, especially when you're applauding our guests. Okay, the last song, the movie Yarana. While shooting for a song from this movie in Kolkata, Neetu Singh started crying because she had recently got engaged and she didn't want to be away from Rishi Kapoor. The phones also weren't working at that time. So Amitabh requested the producers to let Neetu Singh fly back to Mumbai and that they would manage without her. So if you ever see the song again to the audience, this is the reason why Neetu Singh is there in half the song and then she just disappears. She's not there in the latter part. So that's it. That is the reason. So again, over to Lakshmi Kant for this heart-touching song, Chukar Mere Man Ko.
Hi, Kavita. I will
Yes,
sing this
Lakshmikant.
song, but I will also have that we discuss. It's Ajnabi.
Oh, please. Yes, of course. Please go ahead. Rajesh Khanna, absolutely. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah.
Ek Ajnabi, that's the song.
Yeah, yeah. That's the song actually. Yeah. Am I audible? Yes. Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई, अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई।
Lakshmikant, we have an issue with your volume. It's gone off.
For a minute.
All right. Yes. All right, audience. He'll be right back. Just a second. Like we say, we have to wait. All good things come with a little bit of patience. So some technical hitch there. Just a minute. He'll be right back. Until then, you can think about all the lovely words that Meera taught you and think about how to go about finding a French girlfriend or a French boyfriend. Yes, Lakshmikant, are we set?
Inuit. I'm joining.
Yes, yes, okay. A little technical snag. Some things are out of our control. And like I said, do not go anywhere. We are coming up with a beautiful finale. So yes, for all of you, you've put in some lovely chats. All of you have said that Lakshmikant, you were not aware of what he does. And somebody here also said that you were not aware about Meera. That's why Glyphs. That's why Glyphs, where we give you an opportunity to showcase your talent. So of course, after hearing these two, if you do know anybody who would like to be a part of this channel, do put their names and put your names in the chat box. We will do that. So tomorrow, 8 o'clock, we are going to screen the awards night. So for all of you who want to join us, do join us, and we shall showcase, we shall be streaming the awards night, which we had just last month. So we will be there on Facebook. Yes, Lakshmikant, ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, over
Sorry
to you.
for the interruption. Some little technical. Yeah.
Yes, over to you.
हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। वो अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आया घटा से चाँद। वो अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आया घटा से चाँद। चेहरे पे जुल्फे बिखरी हुई थी, दिन में रात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर, कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर, जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर, कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर। मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे खफा वो, जाने हयात हो गई एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। खूबसूरत बात ये, चार पल का साथ ये, सारी उम्र मुझको रहेगा याद। खूबसूरत बात ये, चार पल का साथ ये, सारी उम्र मुझको रहेगा याद। मैं अकेला था मगर बन गई वो हमसफर, वो मेरे साथ हो गई एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई एक अजनबी।
मस्त रे Lakshmikant, absolutely wonderful.
Thank you.
Such a beautiful end to a beautiful evening. And yes, like I promised, here comes our fantastic finale. Now, we are going to present a unique amalgamation of two passions, two languages. So, a peppy and a naughty duet, Hal Kaisa Hai Janab Ka, again from the movie Chalti Ka Naam Gadi. Both Meera and Lakshmikant have sung this song in their respective individual styles, the female version in the French language and the male version in the Kishorda language. All right, presenting our signature fusion, the Glyphs Jugalbandi. Here it comes.
क्या ख्याल है आपका, मुझे फिक्र है आपका, क्या ख्याल है आपका, मुझे फिक्र है आपका। पतली पतली कभी तूने सोचा सुने
फूल का मगर बात कौन सी पुकार
पतली पतली कभी तूने सोचा सुने
फूल का मगर बात कौन सी पुकार
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है जरा नजर को संभालना
como alejo ocean
अरे क्या ख्याल है आपका
मुझे कबरियों
वही फिसल गया
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Such a truly unique end to such a beautiful evening. Thank you. Thank you to both Meera and to Lakshmikant and to our audience. Just the way these two have performed beautifully, such similar our past performers who have already performed. You can see the awards for these performers tomorrow at 8 o'clock on Facebook. So do tune in tomorrow evening, 8 p.m. on Facebook. Like I said, a beautiful end, a unique end to this lovely episode. On behalf of our audience and Team Glyphs, heartfelt thanks to our guests, Meera and Lakshmikant, for joining us on our channel today. Such a beautiful time we had with both of you. We also thank Saurav Dandekar and Gayatri for introducing today's guests, Meera and Lakshmikant, to our channel Glyphs. We definitely would like to thank our ever-efficient back-end team, Aniruddha, who's our technical head, Ankita and Mangesh from DW Place Solutions, Himangi, Apurva, Ashay, Ninad and Aishwarya for all their efforts in preparing all the episodes so that you can see them flawlessly. And of course, the founders, Salil, Tanushri and Gayatri, all three of them for innovating this idea and creating this awesome channel. Last but not the least, to our wonderful audience from India, from across the globe for watching, supporting, and encouraging us during each episode of our channel Glyphs. To the audience, in case anyone from you is interested in interacting with our guests, please put your name in the chat box and we can get you backstage to talk to them. I am your host, Kavita Avasti, signing off for today. My team and I shall be waiting to see you on our next episode, where we introduce you to two new passions, Bharatnatyam and Karayobics. Karayobics, which is a combination of karate, yoga, and aerobics. So see you on Sunday at 5 o'clock. And until then, stay safe, keep exploring your passions, and do take very good care of yourself. Good night and have a lovely weekend ahead.